What's going on, everyone? I am your host, DeFi Sean, and you are watching Crypto and Cause Investing, back with yet another exciting token review. And today we're going to be talking about VoluMint, a very important product for the whole entire crypto space. So they're going to allow you to enhance your market presence with VoluMint, the only fully automated market making solution. This is going to allow you, as a project owner, to take control of your liquidity in your market making. Utilizing their smart tools, you're going to be able to do this easily and efficiently. Now, in this video, we're going to go over exactly how this works and why it's so important. Now, before we get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out that call channel link down below. Now, on this channel, I don't make it a habit of going down reading white papers and light papers, but I think for this particular project, it is important that we do touch on some of that white paper so you can fully understand exactly what's going on and why it's important. So we're going to kind of hop from the website to the white paper and back and forth. Again, just going over everything needed to discuss. Now, the volume generated on VoluMint today is 85.5 billion. All time is 20.8 billion. So understanding project budgets, we help in setting aside a healthy budget and keep it on top of expenses and fees. We offer 50K. This produces 50K volume for as little as 500 in liquidity. So for you simply providing $500 in liquidity, it can generate $50,000 in volume. And again, we're going to go over exactly why that's so important. So firstly, it's important for you to understand exactly what market making is. Market making is fundamental in financial markets, including the rapidly evolving world of Web3 and cryptocurrencies. At its core, market making involves providing liquidity to markets by offering to buy and sell assets at prices close to the average market. This process ensures traders can execute their trades promptly and at predictable prices, which is essential for a healthy and functional market. Now, why is it important for crypto projects to utilize this? Because you, as maybe a retail investor, may not quite understand what makes it so valuable. So the path to success for crypto projects is fraught with significant hurdles. That is the understatement of the century. It is very, very hard to get a crypto project off of the ground. Chief among them being the critical challenge of achieving and maintaining liquidity. This challenge manifests in several key issues. Limited access to market making. Many small to medium-sized projects find themselves sidelines, needing help to afford high costs associated with traditional market making services. Now, I can speak from experience. I've been on the influencer side, the developer side, the retail investor side, and for the duration of most of crypto, market making has been extremely expensive. Talking tens of thousands of dollars potentially per month to utilize a marketing service. Also, lack of trading volume. The need for sufficient trading volume poses a dire threat to cryptocurrency, risking delisting from exchanges, such as outcome severely impacts a project's visibility and erodes investors' confidence. For example, let's say you're listed on a centralized exchanges. You spent tens of thousands of dollars to get that centralized exchange listing. Then your volume dries up. There's a very good chance that regardless of how much money you spent, that centralized exchange will delist you for not having activity. Also, the coveted CMC and CoinGecko that retail investors love to see. If you do not keep volume, CMC and CoinGecko will also delist you. Again, another very important part while your chart stays active, has volume, and has those buys and sell. So complexity of market making strategies. The reliance on complex trading algorithms and infrastructures has stifled broader adoption of market making strategies, especially among smaller projects seeking scalability. And again, this product right here will help projects that don't have the potential unlimited funding that some of these bigger projects have, that can pay a company tens of thousands of dollars per month to do their own market making. But let's go ahead, hop on over to that website and talk some more details. So hopping back on over to the website to talk all things VoluMint, very important to note some upcoming launches. They have a DEX market making tool along with a Solana market making capabilities, which again is huge. We all know Solana has made it to the point where it's one of the bigger, more popular blockchains on the market. So getting into that market is definitely a huge thing for VoluMint. So you want to know how to use VoluMint. You select an exchange. For this example, MEXC is selected. Now you have a pair, let's say VMint and USDT. You're going to go ahead and enter all your parameters right here. Then you're going to go ahead and start your bot, and that is going to get the ball rolling for you. It'll make buys, it'll make sells. Now remember, most people, especially in the past, if you wanted to do any kind of market making, you had to hire these big companies to do it for you. Again, costing you tens of thousands of dollars. Also, you're putting the trust in their hands that they're doing the right thing for your chart, for your liquidity, for your holders, and different things like that. So where this kind of puts it a lot more in your hands to where you're in control. So let's just kind of just give a brief look at them. So the centralized exchange standalone is $999 per month. This is going to be 2 centralized exchange bot. Options to add bots, it's $500 per bot addition. So base price for 2, $999, $500 per additional. Now this is going to be the recommended, just $1,299 per month. Again, very cheap. 2 centralized exchange bot, 1 DEX bot, an option to add bots, again, $500 per bot. So with this one, you're going to be able to go ahead and get your centralized exchange bots and also your DEX bots. And obviously, the bigger you go, the more volume and the more exchanges that you can cover for your project. And remember, unless you have 11 centralized exchanges listings, you don't need one like this. Again, same thing, 5. If you only have 1 or 2 centralized exchanges, you're going to probably want to stick to the centralized exchange in the basic package. Speaking from experience, it is always really good to have that DEX bot in there too, because that's very important. Most people, especially watching my channel, they're going to be operating on DEXs. So keep that in mind. Just wanted to give you a quick look at how to use it, and then also the packages and the pricing. So let's go over supported chains and platforms. We have Uniswap, we have MEXC, we have PancakeSwap. So 2 of your biggest decentralized exchanges. This right here, one of your biggest centralized exchanges, BNB. We have Polygon, we have Ethereum, we have BitGet, we have KuCoin, Gate.io, Team Finance, and the list goes on. So as you can see, some of their biggest chains and platforms are supported. You want to connect with them, go ahead and put in your email, put in your message. You can also hop on over to their Twitter account. You can see they have a huge following here. Also, you can go ahead and hop on over to Telegram, have a big following over here as well. Very active. You can connect there as well. But let's go ahead and hop on over back to that white paper and go over a little bit more details, because again, this is a little bit longer video than usual as there's so much to talk about with VoluMint. So one of the last things we're going to talk about is MintSwap. But before we do that, also kind of wanted to give a little tease that I'm hearing there's going to be potential airdrops coming from projects within the VoluMint ecosystem, which is always a cool thing to get airdrops from, again, projects that are within this ecosystem. So something to think about, something that we may see coming up here very shortly. So what exactly is a MintSwap? So this is a decentralized exchange. It's a cutting edge platform. It's meticulously engineered to revolutionize the trading experience for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. MintSwap sets a new standard for cost efficiency and user experience in decentralized exchanges by harnessing the power of advanced smart contract optimization. So why exactly does this stand out? We have exceptional cost efficiency, up to 3 times cheaper, increased pools at 20 times lower cost than existing solutions, simplified trading pairs, concentrating on ETH, ERC20 pairs, which smart move ETH, no matter what anyone says, is probably going to be your biggest thing out there. And then user-centric monetization, the market making opportunity. So with the DEX market demonstrating robust liquidity and engaging, as evidenced by Uniswap's V3 substantial daily trading volume, MintSwap aims to capture a share of this dynamic market, addressing common user frustrations like high swap costs, very high swap costs, and complex pool configurations. And then your advantages you're going to have for traders. For most people watching this video, enjoy lower transaction costs, a wide array of ETH ERC20 pairs, and an optimized trading experience. Now, if you're a liquidity provider, benefit from competitive fees and exposure to popular asset pairs with the potential for enhanced returns due to our optimized pool structure. So that is going to be MintSwap in a nutshell. So at this point, you're probably asking, how do I get involved with VoluMint? So as a retail investor, let's go ahead and show you exactly how you can do that via their token. So I did want to go ahead and take a look at this chart, because as you can see, around November 6th, November 7th, it had a 120% surge, and then it just continued that upward trend before finally leveling out and consolidating right here, but a very good run up. It does have a $6.56 million market cap. Liquidity is locked, very solid at 305,000. Holder count, very solid as well, 5.88 thousand, with that 24-hour volume at 97.6K. Now coming on over, learning some details about the token. So it's going to be utilized for a multitude of things. So this is a token that has utility, that keyword that everyone loves so much, but so many tokens just kind of use that word very loosely. Now, with that utility, VMIT tokens can be used to pay for subscriptions to VoluMint's market-making bots, facilitating easy access to the platform's services. You're going to have access to premium features. Holding VMIT tokens unlocks access to advanced features and settings within the bots, enabling users to tailor their market-making strategies precisely. There's also going to be governance participations. VMIT token holders can participate in governance decisions, directly influencing the platform's development trajectory and policy formulation, so you, as a token holder, will have a say in the direction of VoluMint. Also, staking rewards. A staking mechanism allows users to stake their VMIT tokens and earn rewards. These rewards are not only a form of passive income for token holders, but also have the potential to be tied to the revenue generated by the bots, further aligning the user's interests with the platform's success. So, like I said in the beginning, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply presenting you an opportunity to go over and take a look at VMIT. Kind of gave you that stepping stool to start doing your own research and see if it's something that you're interested in. But if you are interested in a token that has tons of utility and provides a real product that the whole Web3 market can potentially be looking to use, I highly recommend checking it out. Now, all the links you need will be in the description down below. And that's going to do it for today's video. And until next time, trade safe.